To start using TurboTax on a Mac, first ensure you have a compatible operating system, as TurboTax requires macOS High Sierra or later. Begin by downloading the TurboTax software from the official website or the App Store. Once the download is complete, open the TurboTax installer and follow the prompts to install the software. After installation, launch TurboTax and select the type of return you want to file, such as a personal or business return. You will then be prompted to create an account or sign in if you already have one. Enter your email address and create a password to secure your account. Next, gather all necessary tax documents, including your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other relevant documents. TurboTax will guide you through the process of entering your income, deductions, and credits. You can import your W-2 forms from participating employers or enter the information manually. As you progress through the tax preparation process, TurboTax will ask you a series of questions to determine your eligibility for various deductions and credits. Answer these questions honestly and accurately to ensure you receive the maximum refund you are eligible for. TurboTax also offers an audit support guarantee, which provides free audit representation if you are audited by the IRS. Additionally, the software includes a refund tracker, which allows you to monitor the status of your refund. Once you have completed the tax preparation process, review your return carefully to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary corrections before submitting your return to the IRS. TurboTax will guide you through the e-filing process, which typically takes only a few minutes to complete. After submitting your return, you can track the status of your refund using the TurboTax Refund Tracker. You will also receive an email confirmation from TurboTax once your return has been accepted by the IRS. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily complete your tax return using TurboTax on a Mac.